OFC 2025. I am at the booth of Effect Photonics with the CEO, Roberto Marcoccia. Roberto, I am really impressed with Effect Photonics. For many, many years, coming all the way from Eindhoven, you have really made the company into one of the key companies in the world of pluggable transceivers. This is the year of coherent for longer distances. What is new at Effect Photonics?
New at Effect is taking coherent to emerging markets. In the executive forum, we talked a lot about coherent entering in closer and closer to the data center, one day inside the data center, but also the network edge is another market of an emerging market for coherent solutions. And that's where today, and what we've been showing at the show is our DSP that we invested in a couple of years ago, and we have it at the show working. Less than 2 watts for the DSP, enabling a QSFP28 for about 5 watts. And that is meant for the edge market where inference and reality meet.
Unlike other similar companies in the field of pluggable transceivers, you invested in your own DSP a few years back. Years have gone by. Was that a good investment?
Absolutely a great investment. In order to be able to do what we have accomplished, you need to have the team, you have to have the investment, and you have to have the partners to help you do that. We achieved it. We have the DSP, again, at less than 2 watts. So great investment.
We have seen lots of different coherent transceiver modules over the last days here at OFC. What makes Effect Photonics different?
We focus on specific applications where longer distances, lower power, smaller form factors are needed. So instead of going after long-haul core networks, we are focused on low power, low latency, specific applications for coherent.
Low latency is one of the key benefits for Effect Photonics. What is the killer application for the low latency solution of Effect?
Any AI application, it requires low latency as well as low power.
We can see now the biggest announcement for the major companies about coherent modules going inside the data center. This is really exciting times for you. What is your preferred future? How do you want this market to evolve in the coming years?
In the coming years, it's all about how coherent enables the interconnect for not only data center interconnects, but campuses of these AI factories. And you start thinking beyond 1.6T, you need that distance, you need the bandwidth, and coherent solutions will do that.
You had a really smart integration of the photonics or the electronics within the photonics or the indium phosphide active and passive. You have invested heavily on being a differentiating technology from the physical layer all the way to the network layer. What is going to happen on the next years on that particular part?
Yeah, the integration continues to happen. It's the only way that you'll solve the higher speeds. Things need to get closer together, the bandwidths and the sizes and power. So all that has to happen.
And now if we go in the data center, you saw at the executive forum, reliability, reliability, reliability. And there was some doubts about the reliability of photonic components. Every single photonic component that gets out of Effect is fully tested. Can you tell us a bit of how it works?
Yeah, we go through a rigorous qualification process, but we don't stop after the first qualification. Continuing with an ongoing reliability program with our CMs as well, so that every product continues to get tested as well as going through the stresses to make sure that they are reliable.
Let's play the crystal ball game, Roberto. If we come back to OFC 2030, 5 years from now, how does Effect look like?
Bigger, more products, and solving the problems of all our customers.
Congratulations on everything that you are achieving. I look forward to seeing you at OFC 2030. Thank you so much.
Thank you.